Use a traditional clock face to determine the next three terms in the following sequence. We have 7, 12, 5, 10, and then 3. Now, a traditional clock face has 12 hours that range from 1 to 12. If a value in your sequence is more than 12, then you subtract 12 from the value to find the corresponding hour on the clock. Now, when given the five terms were written, when the given five terms were written, 12 was subtracted twice. These subtractions occur between the second and third terms and between the fourth and the fifth terms. So rewrite the given five terms by undoing these subtractions. So here's your first term and there's your third term, which is 7 and 5. The result will be a sequence that is strictly increasing. So to undo subtraction, we're going to add the 12th term that originally wrapped around the clock and each term after it. Since the sequence wrapped around twice, some terms will have 24 added to them. So for example, we have now 7, 12, 17, 22, 27. So we can see here that 12 plus 5 gave us 17. 12 plus 10 gives us 22. For the 3, it wrapped around twice. Therefore, we have 24 added to the 3, which gives us 27. Now, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which each successive term from the second term on is obtained from the previous term by the addition or subtraction of a fixed number. A geometric sequence is a sequence in which each successive term from the second term on is obtained from the previous term by multiplying by a fixed non-zero number, the ratio. Now, the sequence that we found, 7, 12, 17, 22, 27, is an arithmetic sequence because each term can be found by adding 5 to the previous term. Using this common difference, the next three terms of the rewritten sequence can be found. So we would have add 5 to the 27, which is 32, add 5 to the 32, which is 37, and add 5 to 37, which is 42. Now, the sequence in reference to the traditional clock face can be found by subtracting an appropriate multiple of 12, so that each term in the sequence is between 1 and 12. So if we take 22 and subtract 12, well, in this case, if we take 17, subtract 12, we get 5. If we take 22 and subtract 12, we get 10. If we get 27, we need to subtract 24 to get 3. Subtract 24 from 32, we get 8. So we need to subtract 36 from 37, since that means it's going to go through the clock 3 times. So 12 times 3 is 36. So 37 minus 36 is 1. And then 42 minus 36 is 6. So therefore, the next three terms of the sequence in order are 8, 1, and 6.